Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on maintaining your Dyson HS01 vacuum cleaner. To start, make sure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. First, unplug your Dyson HS01 from the power source to ensure safety. Next, remove the dustbin by pressing the release button located on the handle. This allows you to access the filters and internal components. Now, let's focus on cleaning the filter. Rinse the filter under running water until the water runs clear. It's crucial not to use any detergents, as this can damage the filter. Once cleaned, allow it to dry for at least 24 hours before reassembling. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After the filter is dry, grab your Phillips screwdriver. There are several screws located on the back of the vacuum cleaner that need to be removed. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place so you can easily reassemble your device later. With the screws out, gently pull apart the casing to inspect the internal components for any dust buildup. Use your soft brush to clean any dust and debris from the motor and other internal parts. This helps maintain efficiency and prolongs the life of your vacuum. If you notice any significant wear or damage during this inspection, consider reaching out for a quote before repair. Next, let's clean the brush bar. Remove it by pressing the release button on the side of the cleaner head. Check for any hair or debris wrapped around the brush. You can use your hands or a pair of scissors to carefully cut away any entangled material. It's important to keep the brush bar clean for optimal performance. If you don't have the tools for this maintenance or prefer not to do it yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. Once the brush is clean, reattach it by sliding it back into place and ensuring it clicks securely. Now, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align the pieces and replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened properly to avoid any rattling during use. Finally, reinsert the dustbin back into the vacuum cleaner. Make sure you hear a click, indicating that it's securely in place. Before using your Dyson HS01 again, double-check that everything is assembled correctly and that the filter is dry. Regular maintenance like this ensures your vacuum operates at its best and lasts longer. For any further assistance or if you have questions, remember, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.